thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and we're back for another video. And this time it is going to be, of course, another haul from my favorite company in the world. Just kidding. Well, one of my favorites is going to be from Shein, of course. One of the items that I have from this haul, this is actually the haul that I'm doing for a wedding that I'm going to attend in a few weeks. And basically, the dress that I have from this haul, if you guys have seen my other video where I purchased a dress for the wedding, that one did not fit, so I had to end up getting another dress. This dress is actually, when I say it's giving everything it's supposed to give, baby, it's giving everything it's supposed to give and then some. But I'm going to save that video. I'm just going to do a video on that dress by itself, because I am so in love with that dress. It is super cute. It fits my body nice. And like I said, it's amazing. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just get into this video right quick to kind of show you guys, because a lot of the pieces I need to like check on and kind of pull them out. Now the first thing I did, and I'm going to show you guys the pictures of everything too. So this is one of the necklaces that I got for my dress. It's a Y necklace, and it has the actual drop in the middle. It's almost like a choker as well. So let me just go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It will look better once I get it on and kind of show you guys how it looks. So it's like that, and it actually goes around your neck, and it kind of like falls. This piece is long enough where it will like fall into the middle. I haven't decided if I'm going to wear this particular necklace, because I did buy another one as well that will also be super cute for this dress. And I'm going to try to go through this video as quickly as I can. And while I'm pulling out the piece, I'll go ahead and just give my disclaimer and give you guys my, my opening statement, of course. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you do like this video, go ahead and thumbs up. Turn your notifications on after you subscribe, and so that way you don't miss any new videos being posted. And also share it with your friends. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I am in my glam room today. This is also another necklace that I purchased. And one thing I like about Shein necklaces, although they're not ones, these are like really, really inexpensive, but they do shine. They are for the occasion. You might be able to get several wears out of them, but to be honest, they're like really, really inexpensive. This has a bracelet to go with it as well. So I think I paid like, it might have been, I think the original price for this was $6. I might have paid like $3 for the set. So that's the second one. And I also have this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the same pattern, but it's in a different color. I actually did not notice when I ordered this that the color was different, but it's fine. This is an anklet, so I will have this on my ankles, which would probably reflect a little bit of the natural color, only because the shoes that I have to wear with this is also natural. And the natural color, the natural silver color, as the previous items I showed you. I'm just going to kind of take it out so you guys can see it a little bit better. Oh, and while I'm doing this, I'm going to show you guys quickly. I've already taken some of the items from out of the... Don't y'all like that pattern? That's super cute. But it is like a purplish or pinkish type color, which I thought it was silver, but that's fine. Like I said, I'm going to put it on my ankle, so it will kind of reflect off of my shoes. You probably won't even see the difference in it. So also, with this haul, I did receive 20 eyelashes, and they came in different sizes. I believe it's 2 of each size. I'm just going to kind of show you guys some of the ones that I have in here, which is super cute. I wanted to kind of play. I'm actually going to do a small lash business. So I wanted to kind of like get different lashes to play with them and see how they look on my face. I like this one. This one is super cute, because I always wanted to try like different lashes. So I felt like if I was able to do like a broad purchase where I can kind of get the different patterns and everything and see how they look, on me, then I could kind of determine, you know, what type of makeup I would do. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a few YouTube videos with those as well. But I'm gonna go really quick with this video, guys, because I do have something that I do have to get back to. I forgot that I had purchased this, and this is also gonna go with my dress. It's super cute. It's a small clutch, and one thing I noticed immediately from this clutch was that it did have a chain in the inside. Now, I probably won't use the chain. I probably will have the chain just connected and probably like sitting inside, but it's super cute. And when I say this matches my shoes down to a T, it matches my shoe down to a T. The price on this one was, I believe the original price was $12, and I paid like $10 for the clutch. The next item I have, and this was one of those hauls where I kind of wanted to like up my hat game a little bit, because I do have a lot of hats, so I want to get more into wearing like hats with like the bobs and everything. Went out the other night and it was kind of cold outside, so I was like, you know what, it would have been super cool if I had like some hats or whatever to wear. But one thing I do not like is the fact that this hat is kind of like, it came on the this was the first item I pulled out of this bag, and it was kind of crushed. So I've been kind of like looking at YouTube to see what I can kind of do to like even out some of these wrinkles that that's on the hat. So maybe like putting some steam to it will probably help. So this is actually the second leather hat that I have. I have a baby hat, which is a cap style hat. So this is the first like fedora type hat that I have, which is cool and it's cute. I really love that hat. Another one is, of course, this is just a scully cap that, you know, I'm going to the store or whatever, and I'm just gonna throw something on my head, keep the cold away. This is not today, which is super cute, which I need for today because today has been one of those crazy days. So that one, you know, just something I can throw on as well. The next item, this is a newsboy cap, and at first I thought this was red when I saw it online, but it's actually like a burgundy, or I guess this would be more burgundy or wine color. Looks like it's more burgundy. I would say burgundy or Bordeaux. And it's just a regular newsboy cap. Again, it's the leather type. It's giving me leather type vibes. And this would be super cute to wear with a bob as well. It's something you can wear like out on a Saturday date, or if you just want to chill, you know, probably go to a movie or something like that. Another cap that I saw that I thought was super cute. This is just a regular, I call this one of those scully caps. I don't know if that's the correct name for it, but it doesn't have a bib to it. It's just one of those hats you can kind of like put on your head like that. It does adjust in the back, so I won't be around here just kind of like, ooh, pull that up a little bit, girl. This is my around the house wig, y'all. When I just want to throw on a wig, I actually work out in this wig as well. I've been doing some working out earlier today as well too, so gotta have that intact. But I thought this cap was pretty cute, pretty cool. You know, it's just something you can kind of wear around if you go out on a date, or, you know, do like maybe a bob or just something straight to the back. I thought it was super cool. Just to have, and it's heavy too. It's not a light type cap. The next item, this is pretty-ish. I thought it was super cute. Definitely had to get this shirt. This shirt kept popping up at me online, and it's crazy because when I first saw this shirt, I was like, you know what? This shirt will actually go good with some red boots and some jeans. And I kept seeing this shirt, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and order it. And I actually ordered this shirt in a 2XL only because I wanted to be able to, once, you know, I'm constantly losing weight now with the regimen that I'm doing. But I wanted to make sure that I have something kind of like oversized. Even if I decided to go with like some leather jeans or maybe some tights under this, I could still wear it and it looks super cute with some boots as well, which is another item that I have to show you guys, which is at the bottom of this haul. The next item, we have is original, which Slay LT is very original. Um, and this was also another super cute top that I wanted to get. These were actually paired good with some jeans and some black boots. Just keep it very simple. And probably even that cap that I showed you guys with the brimless cap. I thought that was super cute. And I actually ordered this in a 1X. Um, just kept it very simple with that. This next item, this is a handbag, y'all. When I tell you I love this clutch, I love it. And it was actually 2 different kinds of clutches that they had online. I was like, I have to get this bag. But the crazy thing about it is, I said I wasn't going to order nothing else for the rest of this year. But I have one more haul that I'm going to do for this year. And that haul actually has the same pattern shoes, some boots to match. I had to order it. Like, there's no way I could just let that go and not order it. So keep that on the low, because babe, he's definitely looking at these orders coming through the mail every day. He's like, look, I'm seeing bags and boxes. Like, what are we doing? Like, we're buying stuff every day. So you keep that. So I said I was gonna do a haul where I'm doing more like loungewear, and I kind of wanted to mix this haul up. So next year, starting next year, because again, that next haul is the cutoff for this year. But starting next year, at around March, I'm gonna start doing 1 haul a month. But I'm trying to get more endorsements so that Shein will actually send me things where I'm just kind of testing it out for them. And you know what? I just realized. Oh, I started to say, I was like, this isn't even a 2-piece. Yes, it is a 2-piece. So this is actually loungewear, but the material isn't what I thought it was going to be. So this isn't it. You know what? This might fit, but even if it doesn't, and it will, this is like one of those nightgowns or whatever. But I'm thinking that I might have to lose a little bit more before I'm able to get into this. Hopefully it fits, and I think it will. The next item is, I don't know why I thought I had more items than, oh, I guess the hats that actually took up most of the space. This Urban City shirt, and I actually got this in a large, but this came in the plus, the Shein Plus. So this is actually way bigger than what I thought it was going to be. This Urban City shirt. I probably should have ordered this in like a small, in plus size. And this actually came from Shein Plus. So, but I like the design of it. It says Dream District, Urban City, and it has like Strive, Hustle, established 1980, and it has good things come to those who hustle. Break free. Great things never come from comfort zones. Be strong, because things will get better. It may be stormy now, but it never rains forever. And that is so dire in today's world. So that's super cute. These will actually go good with some jeans as well. And last, but certainly not least, remember earlier when I was telling you all about the shoes, the red boots, and I've already tried these on as well. These red boots. I've always wanted a pair of red boots. I've tried these on. These are like the shop style boots. At first I was like, dang, these are gonna be too high for me. But baby, when I tell you, these heels are not high at all. They're just right. I did walk in them a little bit. Only thing I was concerned about as well was the fact that I thought the shoe may have been a little too big, but it's actually not. So the fit is perfect. The fit is perfect. It does look a little long in the front, but once I put these on my feet, it actually looked pretty small. So I think it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. So, and I bought these in an 8.5, and you know, with Shein, their sizes are a little, I'm gonna say, a little unpredictable. And the reason I say that is because I bought some shoes from them before, size 8.5, and those shoes actually look like they could have been a 9. One thing I noticed about Shein, when they start get to the normal sizes, they go up a half size. So say for instance, like if your normal size is a size 9, they won't have a size 9, they'll have a size 9.5. And these are shoes that they just put out. So I don't know if it's the fact that they just don't make that size, or they just opt to go to a half size up to ensure that the shoe does fit. Whatever the case may be, these definitely fit. They're super cute and they're definitely comfortable. And another thing I did notice with this too, say for instance, if you do decide to wear like a boot sock, and you guys know what a boot sock is, those thinner type socks that you can put on with your boots, it would be super comfortable because it gives your feet the, the mobility, and of course your feet won't be sliding all over in your shoes or whatever. So that's definitely a plus. So that's pretty much it of this haul. Yeah, so this one was, like I said, I do have my dress, and I'm not showing my dress right now only because I have it for a wedding, and I'm going to do a video on that dress as well. I do need to put it in the cleaners because it did come in a bag. It does, of course, wrinkle when it's in the bag, and that's another reason why I didn't want to show the dress. I actually want to show it with me on, with the dress on me. I wanted to show you guys how it fit my body, curves and all. So look forward to that video. Again, if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for the support so far. I really a million times appreciate it. And I am going to start getting into more videos and makeup and all that stuff. I just have not had time. I have other businesses that I do work on, so I'm super busy like all the time. But I want to get this YouTube haul type, fashion, makeup. I want to get all that vamped up. So I'm spitting out videos like every other day. That's my goal. 2022, hopefully I can get there. Had a lot going on in 2021, which made it almost impossible to do, but nothing's impossible if you get yourself organized. Hello. But let me go ahead and end this video here. Always remember to be you, do awesome, be you. Be awesome and do awesome things. And thanks again for stopping by my channel. You all have a wonderful day. And again, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn the notification on, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks again a million times. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.